This is one of 16 mini-lectures from our Know Your Minerals series. These audio-based presentations let you listen and learn anytime. Each episode covers what a mineral does, where to find it, and why it matters. Don't forget to get your free PDF fact sheet, link pinned in the comments. Let's begin. Let's talk about zinc, one of the most important trace minerals in the body. It plays a crucial role in immune function, wound healing, cell growth, and even brain health. Unlike some other minerals, the body doesn't store zinc, so you need a steady daily intake from food. The recommended daily value, DV, for zinc is 11 mg per day for men, 8 mg per day for women. Higher needs during pregnancy and breastfeeding, 11 to 12 mg per day. Because zinc is involved in hundreds of enzyme functions, a deficiency can lead to weakened immunity, slow wound healing, and even hair loss. What zinc does? Zinc is involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions, making it essential for immune system support. Zinc helps activate white blood cells that fight infections and viruses. Wound healing and skin health, it speeds up tissue repair, making it vital for cuts, burns, and acne. DNA and protein synthesis, zinc is crucial for cell growth and repair, especially important for children, pregnant women, and athletes. Brain function and mood regulation, it supports neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, improving mood and cognitive function. Reproductive health, zinc is essential for sperm production in men and supports hormonal balance in women. Taste and smell, a lack of zinc can dull taste and smell, affecting appetite and food enjoyment. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, zinc helps reduce oxidative stress, lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Because zinc is used in so many processes, even a mild deficiency can have noticeable effects on health. How much zinc do you need? As mentioned, the daily value, DV, is 11 mg for men, 8 mg for women, and 11 to 12 mg for pregnant or breastfeeding women. Most people get enough zinc from diet, but deficiencies are common in people with poor diets, digestive issues, or high stress levels. Best food sources of zinc. Zinc is best absorbed from animal-based foods, but some plant-based options also contain it. Animal-based sources, best absorbed. Oysters, 6 medium, 32 mg, 290% DV. Beef, 100 grams, cooked, 8.5 mg, 77% DV. Lamb, 100 grams, cooked, 6.7 mg, 61% DV. Chicken, 100 grams, cooked, 2.4 mg, 22% DV. Eggs, 1 large, 1 mg, 9% DV. Cheese, cheddar, 30 grams, 1 mg, 9% DV. Plant-based sources, lower absorption. Pumpkin seeds, 30 grams, 2.2 mg, 20% DV. Chickpeas, 1 cup, cooked, 2.5 mg, 23% DV. Lentils, 1 cup, cooked, 1.3 mg, 12% DV. Cashews, 30 grams, 1.6 mg, 15% DV. Quinoa, 1 cup, cooked, 1.2 mg, 11% DV. Mushrooms, 1 cup, cooked, 1 mg, 9% DV. Note, plant-based zinc isn't as well absorbed because of compounds like phytates, which can block zinc absorption. So, vegetarians and vegans may need more zinc to compensate. Vitamins and minerals that help zinc function. Zinc works best with certain nutrients to improve absorption and effectiveness. Vitamin C boosts zinc absorption and enhances immunity. Sources: citrus fruits, bell peppers, and strawberries. Magnesium works with zinc for enzyme function. Sources: nuts, seeds, and dark leafy greens. Vitamin B6 helps zinc's role in brain function and immune response. Sources: chicken, potatoes, and bananas. Copper, zinc, and copper need to be balanced. Too much zinc can lower copper levels. Sources: liver, shellfish, and nuts. Eating a variety of whole foods ensures you get these complementary nutrients. What happens if you don't get enough zinc? Zinc deficiency is more common than people think, especially in people with digestive disorders, like Crohn's or IBS. Vegetarians are vegans who don't eat enough zinc-rich plant foods. Athletes and people under stress, who lose more zinc through sweat. Symptoms of zinc deficiency: weakened immune system, more colds, flu, and infections. Slow wound healing, cuts and bruises take longer to heal. Loss of taste and smell, zinc is needed for taste buds and smell receptors. Hair loss and brittle nails, zinc helps build keratin for strong hair and nails. Skin problems, acne, rashes, and eczema-like symptoms. Low testosterone and fertility issues, zinc is crucial for reproductive health in men and women. Mental fog and mood swings, zinc plays a role in brain function and mood regulation. If you have these symptoms, you might not be getting enough zinc. What happens if you get too much zinc? While zinc is essential, too much can cause nausea, stomach cramps, diarrhea from excessive supplementation. Weakened immune function, too much zinc over time can actually lower immunity. Copper deficiency, high zinc intake can block copper absorption, leading to anemia and nerve issues. The upper safe limit for zinc is 40 mg per day from all sources. Getting zinc from food rather than supplements prevents overdose risks. How to maintain a healthy zinc balance. Eat zinc-rich foods daily. Focus on animal proteins, nuts, seeds, and legumes. Pair zinc with vitamin C and magnesium. These nutrients boost absorption. Avoid excessive supplements. Too much zinc can cause copper deficiency and immune issues. If vegetarian or vegan, increase intake. Eat more soaked sprouted legumes, nuts, and seeds to enhance zinc absorption. To summarize, zinc is essential for immunity, skin health, brain function, and reproduction. Daily needs: 11 mg for men, 8 mg for women, more during pregnancy. Best sources: oysters, beef, chicken, eggs, dairy, nuts, seeds, and legumes. Zinc deficiency causes weakened immunity, slow wound healing, hair loss, and poor taste, smell. Too much zinc can cause digestive issues and block copper absorption. Pair zinc with vitamin C, B6, and magnesium for best results. Zinc might be a trace mineral, but its impact on the body is anything but small. Make sure you're getting enough every day to support your overall health.